I guess with the next story, it's just kind of like a little tidbit. Based on the NFT talk in Ubisoft and this particular video, which has so 1.5 K likes and 40,000 dislikes.
Right.
I wouldn't have known that. Like, and actually look at the sentiment of the comments if it was just if the dislike button was hidden.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
So I actually brought it back using this Chrome plugin.
Oh my God, this Chrome plugin already has 800,000 plus users. That's insane.
Yesterday it was 700,000. So it's going
flying.
up.
Yeah.
And just
is it safe? Like everybody, it's not.
I hope so. It has 5 stars, 7,000 reviews.
All right, install at
the
your
category's
own,
fun
at your own peril, but fair warning. But so right now, I mean, it looks like it's working out.
And it seems to be a lot of other ones out there too.
Yeah, because it's still in there. I guess they can just dip into the to the background. What is it? I mean,
I think it's just a piece of code that just overlays on top of. Chrome.
So then it is still publicly available.
Yes.
They're just hiding it visually, but if I was to inspect Element, I could probably find it.
Probably.
In the code.
Yeah.
Or just install this extension that does that for me. So there you go. Everybody, everything is solved, Will.
Oh, boy.
Right? And you can't be mad. If you really want dislikes, you can get them in the form of... I mean, I guess that's not really what people want. People want the whole world to see dislikes, not just themselves, but at least anyway, whatever.
You have the choice.
It's a halfway
It's still
thing.
available.
You and 800,000 other people, or that number was probably going to be 2 million in a week or so. But you and millions of other people can make sure you have the dislike in there.
Yes.
I tend to in a case like that, if there's a news story around something like that, like even after I saw the dislikes, I'm like, let me see what people are saying. I'll scroll to the comments.
Sure, yeah.
Because the dislike thing is like, I know people are mad, but I don't, or they're not necessarily mad, but they dislike this.
Yes.
But now I need to figure out why. And so that's where the comments come in. So the dislike can trigger you to go check the comments and figure it out.
Maybe comment yourself too.
It is interesting. It is not a topic that came up when I was talking to Neil. And now I really wish that I would have brought up that example. Like, what about when a big brand or corporation does something that its community is not happy with? This offers an immediate feedback mechanism with a poll that community can reach that giant corporation. Like, nobody is being harmed here. Well, I mean, I guess somebody in the company who's working on the project and came up with the idea, they may be very upset, but either way, like, this signal might be useful. But then I don't know if it's a real number, if it's a pile-on effect, like, because they still would have seen. I think the reality of the situation is that you should still dislike things that you don't like actively on YouTube, because those numbers are available to the company or creator that made it. Even though I know it's obviously feels more meaningless when you don't see the number publicly. But
yeah, I feel like there's a lot of people who actively dislike things but won't even touch the button because they know that maybe subconsciously they're not even making a difference because you don't see the effect.
Of course that effect is taking place. Right? Of course that effect is you need to see the number to feel significant.
But again, like you said, the pile-on effect in this case. But you don't even see it. No, wait. Yeah, you don't see it.
Who?
The other people who don't have this plugin.
They do because the other people, they don't. No, everyone has.
But we see it.
Yeah, so people are, I mean, maybe this is evidence that people are still using.
That's true, yeah.
The dislike counter in the absence. Well, it is only 40K. Maybe all of them have the Chrome extension.
Maybe, yeah. Each and every one of them.
Yeah. Anyway, no, I should have brought up that example. I'll ask him next time.
Okay, yeah.
And any other questions you guys want to ask YouTube? Because, I'm sure it's not the last time I'm going to speak to them. Any other questions or concerns you have for YouTube, you can always kind of let me know or at me on Twitter, because I'm constantly curious about the developments in this platform and like what stuff that's going on. And I know people got a lot of thoughts and stuff. So